How to turn on or turn off dialing keypad vibration feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. After that, we scroll down and tap on system vibration. Then go to the vibration feedback section and tap on dialing keypad. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is on, and if you go to your phone application, every time you tap on a key, the phone will vibrate. If you don't want any vibrations from your keypad, you can turn off dialing keypad. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.